Model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom 292.2 TDCI-A tag starts runs needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 180272. MOT, the 4th of December 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Straightforward, simple turbo replacement job. Engine idles correctly, no shaking or misfiring. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199772.